to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know it, you guys. Today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new Violet Voss palette, and it is the Berry Burst. If you can see that right here. Now, Violet Voss did come out with 4 of these little fun-sized mini palettes, and this is the one that I saw because this is the one that I like the most. I'll kind of have all 4 of them up here if I can find them. There's like a brown toned one, like a neutral toned. There's this one that I have here. There's like a rainbow toned one, and then one more that I forgot what it is, but I'm very excited to give this a shot. This is a first impressions. So let me actually go ahead and rewind. We're not doing a review, we're doing a first impressions today, which I haven't done in literally probably like months. So that's exciting. So we're gonna go ahead and break into this guy here. So this is what the packaging looks like. As you can see here, it is very small, a lot smaller than her normal palettes, and it does have this really pretty pink color on it, and then when you turn it around it is brown here, and then it does have the shades on the back as well. And then when you open it up, here's what it is. Now I will say the packaging feels okay. Like, I know a lot of her other palettes, the packaging isn't like super best, but it's not awful. This one, it does feel like the actual like look of it does have more of a cheap look to it. If you can see that, it's not like shiny, it's very matte and it's very like dull looking, and then it kind of feels like it's made out of like a really strong cardboard material. And then when you open it though, when you open it, this is when it actually starts to feel more expensive and feel good. These are like $18 each, so they're not very expensive. And then when you open it up, here are all of the shades. Freaking cute. So you've got those berry shades down at the bottom, and then you've got up at the top, you've got like more of your golds and browns. So we're gonna go ahead and do some swatches here. So I'm gonna grab this one right here. To my knowledge, these don't have any names, so they're just shadows. They don't really have names. Nope, they don't. So I got this one here. Here's one down here. I'm gonna go ahead and just get a few of the like shimmer, kind of like metallic shades. Ooh, that's nice. And again, I have not swatched these. I haven't even touched these yet. Ooh, these are great. These are really nice. I'm so excited about that. I was kind of like, well, not really nervous because I've used her shadows in the past. Oh, that's super nice. Let's go ahead and grab a few mattes here and kind of see them. They are very buttery. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah, you guys, I'm impressed. This is great. I'm excited so far. This is awesome. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I have already primed my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Like, do I even need to say that anymore? So I've got you zoomed in, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. And then I'm gonna do like a basic look today, honestly. I'm just gonna do like a nice brown, nice pretty look. So we're gonna go ahead and go into this shade right here. Again, it doesn't have any name, so I can't really call it anything, but this really light brown shade, and we're gonna go into we're gonna take it into the crease. Ooh, these are blending out really nicely, like immediately. Oh, that's nice. I like that a lot. And these shades do not have much fallout. Like, if you can see that right there, it's really not a lot at all, if really any. We are just going to continue putting that in the crease and then just blending out. So back and forth, windshield wiper motions. Cool. Just like that. And then I want to go ahead and take this color right here, this next one, and we're going to go ahead and put that a little bit deeper, pretty much kind of like on the same place, but we're going to bring it a little bit deeper onto the lid. Not directly on the lid, but just a little bit further down than the actual crease. So not all the way up here, but like just more on the lid. And this one's blending out really nicely as well. I'm very impressed, you guys. I am super impressed. The only thing that, I think I've said this before, the only thing that I don't like about Violet Voss shadows is the packaging. I feel like it's a little cheap feeling, but that's just me. I don't know if anybody else feels that way. But next we're going to go into this dark chocolate brown shade right here on the very end, and we're going to stick that right in the outer corner. And then just blend it into the crease just a little bit as well. We don't want it to be too dark, just a little blendy poo. What? Alright. just like that. I am really impressed. I'm liking this a lot. So next I'm going to take a flat packing brush and some setting spray. Firstly, let's dip into this shadow without any setting spray just to see how they work on their own. And I'm actually going to go into, I mean, obviously I can do this nice pretty gold right here. I didn't use any berry shades at all for this, so maybe the gold or this one. This one's really pretty. Let's try this pretty shade, this pretty, really pale pink at the end here. Let's just try that, and if I don't like it, we can do something else. Ooh, that picked up a lot on the brush, so we're gonna go ahead and just pat this all over the lid. Oh, that's nice. Okay, it's not even blending out too badly with it being dry either. Yeah, that looks really nice, and it packed on there really, really good without, this is totally dry, completely dry, and I don't even think I need to put any setting spray on there, so we're not even going to use her today. So that's it for this, for the eyelid. Let's go ahead and do the lower lash line really quick. I'm going to grab a Morphe M508 brush, and let's actually go ahead. Ooh, let's play with the berry shades down here. Let's dip into this color, this berry toned right here at the bottom, and let's put that. And then I'm also going to mix in a little bit of the dark brown that we used in the outer corner. And then I'm actually going to take a Morphe M506 and go back into those two shades and then just smoke it out a bit. Dope, you guys. That's so nice. I love that. I like this a lot. So now what I'm going to do, let's go ahead and apply some lashes, and I'm actually not going to do eyeliner today. I'm going to see how I like that look, because I know a lot of people don't wear eyeliner with lashes. So actually, you know what? I'm going to put on liner because I'm not a pro at putting on lashes yet, and my lash glue is black. So I'm afraid that if I don't get it like perfect the first time around, then I'm going to have like a weird line going on. So I'm going to go ahead and line. Cool, so we got this lined. So now I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of mascara on first. I'm going to use my Climax mascara from NARS. And we're going to go ahead and put on a thin coat on the top and bottom lashes. Alrighty, so I got the lashes on, or just I got mascara on. Now I'm going to go into the House of Lashes in the style Juliette right here, and these are the same ones that I used last video. I'm still trying to learn how to get them on really easily and like really quick, but you know, I'm learning. Okay, so I got them on. It was actually not as hard as I thought it was gonna be, because I think I kind of practiced the other day, so I got them on finally. Well, it didn't take too long, but so now let's go ahead and I'm going to do my other eye off camera, and then I will come back to you for lipstick. Alright, you guys, I have returned. As you can see here, I did my other eye off camera, and I finally got these lashes on again. I still like them a lot, and the lipstick that I did use today is the, where'd it go? Here it is. It is the Buxom Pillow Pout lipstick right here, and it's one of those like plumping ones, and it's a little like lip cushion kind of thing. I did a video on this quite a while back. It's like a powder lipstick. It's really cool. I like it a lot, and I love this color. I think it's really pretty. So yes, you guys, that is going to be the first impressions for today. The video, you guys, I think this palette is wonderful. I think it's really good for 18 bucks. You can't really go wrong. Like, it's so good. It's small, it's compact. This would be the perfect palette to travel with. It's just, there's so much good with it. I think Violet, my hair is so dirty and it's not working. I think Violet Voss makes wonderful palettes in general, so this one definitely is a great add to my collection because I have a few of them already. So I am very excited to have this as well. So if you are in the market for something along this line, or you can look at the other palettes, I would highly recommend them. But you guys, it is going to be the end of the video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye!